Hey guys, we're back with the brand new video, and today what we are going to be doing is some zombie attack. Right, you know what it is, guys? Some zombie attack. And my noob skin. You really think my noob skin's that noob? Well, look at how many kills I have and what level I'm at and how much cash. Okay, don't look at my cash, please. But I got a new gun. If you want to see it. I'm saving up for 23,000 and my knives. Frick. I'll show you when I get done killing. Alright, my goal is to get to wave 50. That's my goal. Because I've got to wave 40 by myself. But yo, this thing, it's so powerful. You want to see? It just wiped out all those zombies. Wait. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, we are on level 370. It's about to be level 371. And we have our money bag as our pet. See that right there? It's our money bag. And we get $4 every 3 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. That's so nice. I love Zachary Zaxter. He's the best YouTuber. Oh, except for Zeph Plays. Zeph Plays is my homie, ladies and gentlemen. Frick, my PC is running low. I'm going to charge it right now. Alright, my PC is charging right now, don't you know? Frick. Alright, I'm going to use my new... Did you want to go? I did. Come on. Oh, he just got wrecked. Alright, some dogs. Yo, who just got your again? Yeet! Alright, that's it. I'm using my awesome ray gun. I can't pronounce that word right there because I'm such a bad reader. My grade is so low. I'm only in kindergarten. Okay, that's such a lie. Lucy. Oh, she's flapping her tail at you guys. Lucy, do you want to be in the video? Lucy, do you want to be in the video? Lucy! Alright, Lucy's going to be in the video, as you can see. She likes to lick me a lot. But, guys, my dog is famous. That's all she ever wanted to be. Isn't that very nice? Alright, I should stop talking. Aren't I so annoying? But I don't know if I'm talking too much or I'm not talking that much. I just don't know what to do. Zombie. Right, I'm only on wave 3. That's embarrassing. But my goal is to get to wave 50 in less than 15 minutes. I did. Did you want to go? Yeah, I don't think they want to go. Alright, wait for it. 5. Wait, no. What? How's that possible? Did you see that? Alright, guys, so right here, it said wave 4, and then it said enemies left 1. So I killed one zombie, and it said wave 4 still. I don't think it wants me to get to wave 50 today, but it's okay because we're still gonna do it. Why am I rolling down the hill? That's very embarrassing. Guys. No. Don't kill me, please. Oh, nuclear explosion. Son. Okay, that's embarrassing. Alright, please, you don't have to kill me, okay? I want to be friends. Oh, I'm making a YouTube video. Right, so we're at level up 377. I hope I get to level 400 today. Ooh, alright. We've got 4,405 cash up in here. Oh, boom, 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 Dude, Mr. Tank Zombie. Alright, my gun is so good. I think the pistol's better though, just to be honest with you guys. The pistol's the best. And the basic nav, of course, is the best. Well, guys, so I'll make another video like 10 minutes after this one. Yeah, 10 minutes. Cause I found this new game and it's like really fun. It's like I don't it's like named Test or something. No, guys, no, I'm not dying at wave 5. Just need 45 more waves to go. I did. Frick did. Alright, you wanna go? Alright. Sand monster. Dude, you wanna go? Mr. Tank Zombie. Dude, I'm not dying on wave 6. I at least have to kill the mega tank. At least. 21 points left. I did. Level up 380. That's good. Quickly it is. What? Come on. Bye, Mr. Sassy Pants. Alright. Dang. Wave 7 already in just 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Yeah, I'm keeping track of how much minutes and seconds is. Okay, don't tell anyone this, but it's actually on the, I'm not telling you anyway, because it's personal information. I did slime. Those are so hard. Okay, never mind. I can kill slime in 4 shots. Dude, you want to go? Cause I will go if you want to. I'll go to the grocery store. Ladies and gentlemen, I am having a fine day today. I'm killing a bunch of zombies up in here. Oh no. Come on. Oh, no. No. Alright. Let's go. Wait. Boom. Oh, snap, baby, trouble. Gosh dang it. These things are chasing me every day. Oh gosh. Alright, you've cleared. Alright, I juked this slime. My gosh. I only have about 8,000 kills. Come on, Tank Zombie, you wanna go? Okay, these guys probably really want to go. Alright, we're almost to the mega tank. Alright.
You want to use that?
No. Alright. Guys, no. Boy, you really want to go with me? Cause I will slaughter you. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, boss incoming. Wait, I need my health to regen though. To be honest with y'all. I'm risking it for the biscuit, I guess. Alright, Mr. Mega Tank. I don't think Mr. Mega Tank is playing around today. Okay, I never saw that. Mr. Mega Tank. So, like today, I had the very nice day. Dude, what's that, dude? What's that? Right. Alright, dude. Are you seriously trying to do that move? Because it's not working, if you ask me. I'm just kidding. Are you seriously still trying to do it? Because you suck. To be honest. Oh my gosh, you're still using that dumb move. I'm gonna kill the Mega Tank today. Boy. Alright, I'm gonna kill this Mega Tank. Yes! Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. I'll see you all next time. Bye!